In this tutorial, you will learn how to design creative typography on a banana. First of all, open Canva. Once it opens, click on Presentation. After that, go ahead and click on the Elements tab. Now type banana into the search bar. Switch to the Photo section and click on See All. Choose the banana image that you have liked to use. Just click this option to remove the background. Scroll down, then open the Apps section. Now, search for the app called Typography. Once the app shows up, simply click to open it. Head over to the Text section and enter your text here. Scroll down to Explore and choose a different text style. Simply click this option to adjust the text color. Head over to the Warp Effect section, then click on Custom Folder to craft your own design. Follow the same steps I am showing here to make your adjustments. Go ahead and duplicate the page. On the second page, you will see two layers, the banana image and the text. Select the banana image and delete it, leaving only the text layer. Now, go to Elements and click on Shapes. Adjust the shape size to match the design, just like I did. Go to the Layers panel, grab the text layer, and move it on top of all layers. Now it's time to change the background color. Just click on the background, open the color options, and set it to black. After that, go to the Share button and download your image. Now move back to the first page, select the text, and simply delete it. Go to the Upload section, select the image you just downloaded, and place it onto the design. Resize and adjust the uploaded image so it fits properly on the banana image. When it fits properly, go to Edit and click on Remove Background. After removing, it will look like this. Click on Duotone and you will see more editing options. Simply click on Cherry. When more options appear, click on the red circle. Then drag it toward white. Repeat the same step with the blue circle. Hold this point and drag it toward the text side. Go to Elements and search for Shadow. Select a suitable shadow and place it on your design. That's it. Your design is ready.